How to fix Venmo account locked. In order to fix a locked or frozen Venmo account, what you want to do is look for a message explaining why the account is frozen, usually for a policy violation or failed transactions as well. And if you cannot find such messages or such emails, you just want to make sure to exit out of this page. Go to venmo.com/recover. Once you do it so, you will be taken to their official page. You can just go ahead and pay any outstanding balances, and you can contact them as well. If requested, you have to provide a photo of your ID or confirm details about your bank or card, such as routing number or practical card visit as well. And what you want to do is you can just if you want to contact support in the app section, you just want to go to the Me tab from the bottom right corner of the screen. There it is. And after which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select settings gear and go to contact us and select chat with us. And that way as well, you will be able to contact support team and they should be able to help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.